A short print card is a parallel or variant of a specific card that normally has a different photograph of the player on the card, or a short print exclusive design. Short printed cards are usually printed in a smaller or shorter volume compared to other cards, so they are considered to be more scarce and therefore rarer. A card can be a short print or a super short print card, which is considered rarer than a normal short print card. Here's the base and short print version of Shohei Ohtani's card from the 2024 Topps Now set. Notice the SP and the card number on the back of the short print card. You can see the base and white sparkle version of Victor Wembanyama's card from the 2023 to 24 Panini Select basketball set. Although not shown on the card, the white sparkle parallel is considered a short print. Here's a Patrick Mahomes downtown insert card from the 2022 Panini Donruss football set. Although not shown on the card, the downtown insert is considered a super short print card. You can see a Kylian Mbappe Kaboom insert card from the 2018 Panini Kaboom Rewards multi-sport set. Although not shown on the card, the Kaboom insert is considered a super short print card.